One of the reasons why trauma is so dysregulating to your nervous system is because when you're triggered, you experience a temporary loss of identity. Now, let me explain. When something in the present reminds you of something that happened in the past that's unhealed, it triggers or ignites the emotions that are associated with that thing. So let's say in the past I was shamed anytime I got upset about something. Now, if something upsets me in the present, it will trigger that old shame wound and perhaps the old sadness and the old upset, and that will move from my subconscious into my conscious awareness. When that happens, I basically become the emotion. I stop being my grounded adult self, my here and now self, and I become that young version of me. I might actually feel quite childlike when that happens. That causes a temporary loss of identity because I have, in essence, moved out of my adult self and into my child self, and I'm now living through my child self. Your nervous system interprets this shift in identity as unsafe because those emotions that were stored in your subconscious, now that they're in your conscious awareness, might feel quite overwhelming to your body and to your system. So when we're healing from trauma, we have to connect with the emotional wounds that are stored in the subconscious. Rather than having them triggered into your conscious awareness by things that happen to you, which is just totally random and happens when you're not expecting and dysregulates you, we actually start to invite the emotional wound into our conscious awareness gradually and slowly, in a titrated way, in a gradual way, and in a calibrated way, so the nervous system has time to integrate the emotion bit by bit and step by step. That means you will grow your window of tolerance. What is your window of tolerance? It's your nervous system's capacity to feel emotions without becoming dysregulated, because that's basically what's happening when you get triggered. You're basically getting dysregulated by these subconscious emotions. They're flooding your system and causing overwhelm and causing dysregulation.